Good afternoon, students. Standard 5, Subject Max, Term 2. Unit 4, Measurements. Let's see about multiplication in capacity. First sum, multiply the following. 4 liter, 200 milliliter multiplied by 3. First thing, check how many units you have. 2 units. One is liter, another one is milliliter, right? So first you have to write the units. And that the greatest unit will come first. After that you have to write the smallest unit. According to that, liter will come first. After that only you have to write milliliter. So first write liter, then write milliliter. Now let's write the number for that. First one is what? 4 liter. So that in liters place 4 will come. Next 200 milliliter. So that in milliliters place 200 will come. After that you multiply it by 3. So multiply this number with 3. Let's multiply this. So first this 3 will be multiplied with the 0. So 3 0 is what? 0. Again this 3 will be multiplied with this 0. So 3 0 is what? 0. Next this 3 will be multiplied with this 2. So 3 2s are what? 6. Now milliliters place is over and you don't have any carry. Let's move to the next place, that is liters place. So this 3 will be multiplied with this 4. You will get what? 3 4s are 12. And 12 must be comes in liters place. So what you got now? 12 liter 600 milliliter. So 4 liter 200 milliliter multiplied by 3, you will get the answer 12 liter 600 milliliter. Let's see another one sum. Deepak fills 1 liter 500 milliliter petrol in a day. How much amount of petrol will he fill in 5 days? So actually they are giving the value for only 1 day. Add it denotes only 1 day. And you need to find out for 5 days. So actually they are asking for 1 too many, so you have to do multiplication. Before writing the solution, you have to see how many units you have. You have 2 units, liter and milliliter. So when you are writing the solution, you have to write the units first, that is liter and milliliter. Let's write the solution for this. Petrol filled by Deepak in a day. It is 1 liter 500 milliliter, so that in liters place 1 will come. And in milliliters place 500 will come. After that, petrol filled by Deepak in 5 days. So they are asking for 5 days. So you have to multiply this with 5. So let's multiply this. 5 0 is 0. Again 5 0 is 0. Next 5 is are what? 25. So 5 will come in milliliters place. And next 2 will become as a carry here. Next see, this same 5 will be multiplied with this 1. So 5 1 is 5. After that this carry will be added. So 5 plus 2 will get the answer here as 7 in liters place. So total quantity of petrol is 7 liters and 500 milliliter. Because 7 is in liters place and 500 is in milliliters place. Let's see division in capacity. First sum 2 liter 320 milliliter divided by 2. Likewise multiplication, here also you have to write the units first. So what are the units here? Liter and milliliter. So liter will come here and after that you have to write milliliter. Next let's write the dividend here. So how to write the dividend? According to that unit only you have to write the dividend. So in liters place what will come? 2 and in milliliters place what will come? 320. Now write the divisor, it is 2. So let's divide this number. Take the first number, it is 2. So 2 1 is what? 2. Subtract both of them, you will get the answer as 0. Take out the next, that is 3. Now 2 1 is what? 2. Subtract this, you will get 1. Next number, take it, you will get 12. Now 2 6 are what? 12. So 12 minus 12 will actually get us what? 0. And the next number is what? 0. So 2 0 is what? 0. So in quotients place what you got? 1 in liters place and 160 in milliliters place. So the answer for 2 liter 320 milliliter divided by 2 which is equal to 1 liter 160 milliliter. Let's see another one application sum. Vimal shared 500 milliliter cool drink equally to his 2 children. How much amount of cool drink would each child get? So he actually shares. Shares means it is dividing only. And here you need to see another one things. He had 2 children. And the final question is, would each child get? That means for only one child they are asking. So already they are giving to you two childs and you need to find out for only one. So this denotes it will be comes in division. So let's rewrite the solution for this. The amount of cool drink that Vimal bought equal to 500 milliliter, right? Next, number of children. How many children? It is 2. So that equal to 2. After that, amount of cool drink that each child get. That means for one child. What we will do? We will do division, right? So this 500 will be divided by 2. So here you got only one unit only. Simply write that unit first, milliliter. After that, write the divide and it is so what 500. So that here you have to write the number as 500. Let's rewrite the divisor now. It is what 2. Take the first number. It is 5. So 2 2s are what 4. 5 minus 4. You will get the answer as 1. And take the next number. It is 0. So 2 5s are what 10. So 10 minus 10, you will actually get 0. Next number is what? 0. So 2 0 is 0. So as the quotient you got 250 milliliter and you don't have any reminder here. So each child will get how much? 250 milliliter of cold drink. Thank you.